In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Airtable Base. If you're new to Airtable or just looking to expand your current workspace, this video will guide you through the straightforward process of adding a new table to your base. So let's dive right in and make sure you're set up to make the most out of Airtable's versatile features. First, begin by opening your Airtable Base. This can be done either by logging into your Airtable account online or accessing the desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're inside your base, you'll notice a series of tabs at the top which represent the different tables within your base. Adding a new table is a quick way to organize additional data so everything stays neat and accessible. Next, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you can see a row of tabs labeled with the names of your current tables. To the right of these tabs, you will notice a small but important plus icon. Simply click on this plus icon to begin adding your new table. After clicking, you will be presented with an option to select a source for your new table. Airtable provides a few choices here. You can start with a blank table, which is a great option if you have a unique setup in mind. Alternatively, importing from a spreadsheet could save you time if your data is already organized in a different file. For our demonstration today, let's proceed with a blank table. Selecting this will introduce you to the on-screen prompts that will guide you in setting up the table. The prompts you'll see are designed to help you configure your table structure effectively. Begin by giving your table a name. Make it descriptive enough that anyone who accesses your base will immediately understand the table's purpose. As you move forward, consider how you want your fields to be structured. Fields in Airtable are essentially columns in your table, and their types can be customized according to your data needs. For example, if you need a field for dates, set it as a date field. If you need text input, set it as a single line or long text field. The beauty of Airtable is in its ability to allow each field to be tailored to fit the exact nature of your data seamlessly. Throughout this process, remember that these configurations aren't set in stone. They can always be tweaked later on as your needs evolve or as you become more familiar with Airtable's features. Once you've worked through the initial setup and are happy with the structure, click Create to generate your new table. And there you have it, a brand new table ready to be populated with data. By following these easy steps, you're now equipped to expand your Airtable base with new tables effortlessly. Feel free to explore and use these features to organize your data in a way that works best for you. Thanks for